If you keep having rough edges or loose stitches whenever you use your overlock machine just like this, then you need to fix this little setting on your weaving machine. First, you need to open up the machine and then adjust this screw right here. You set it to number 3, that's the third line, and then tighten it up. When you are done, you also adjust the other one right here. Also push it to number 3, that's the third line, and then you tighten it up too. After tightening it up, you close your machine and then you weave again. So this is me testing it after fixing the problem. You can see how neat and clean the stitch looks now. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and also drop a comment.